To conclude all this session of wire bendings, I want to show you few amazing pliers that I just came across, which are produced by Savaria Dent in Hungary. You can of course find it in the internet, Savaria Dent. And these pliers not only good for orthodontics in general, but very good for lingual orthodontics because of the new features that are in them that face most of the problems we have in lingual. One of them is a contour plier that has some stages in order to make a wire round and fit the lingual side from a buccal wire or from a completely straight wire. The advantage of this plier that if you take a 16 by 22 stainless steel wire, which is very popular in lingual for space closure, and we put it wherever you want, you will keep the torque of the teeth of the wire, in a very accurate way without creating stress in the wire, and the wire will remain flat no matter what you do, as you can see here. The second plier will create for you the rotation band that we have discussed before. Have a look. I take a wire, I hold it parallel to the wire, and then I squeeze and have a look. So as you can see, we get a rotation band in a very specific area where I wanted it, where I wanted to bend it. And the advantage is that the rest of the wire remain in the same shape as it was before and completely flat. The third plier will create for us the offset band, which you can see here on the plier. It has already the in and the out, so you can do everything in a one single bend. I hold the plier, I squeeze both sides together, and I get the band perfectly done in a very accurate shape, and still wire will remain flat. The last plier that I want to show you will create for you the loop which we want in order to make a stopped arch, or to be able to use for elastics. There are different steps here, so we can decide where we want to make this band and have a look. This is a very stiff wire. Look at the shape, the accurate shape of the band.